So I'm back again with another video because I'm filming three. This is my third video for the evening. So I received my Macy's box along with Ipsy and BoxyCharm. So we're going to get into the Macy's box right now. So come along with me. Let's see what we have in here. This is one of my favorite beauty boxes, and it's only $15 a month as opposed to $35 for the other ones. So let's see what we received this month. Alright guys, you know with Macy's, their box is like opening Fort Knox or something like that. It's so difficult to get into it. So I'm turning it. Hopefully I don't break a nail because I just did my nails last night for for my trip to Atlanta. I was going to go to the salon and have them done, but I didn't feel like spending $100. So let me go ahead and do them myself. But alright, I was able to get into it. Thank you. Here we go. Alright, so this is the Macy's box. And it always comes like wrapped in this little pink tissue that's here. And one of the favorite parts, now last month when we did the Macy's unboxing, we received a $10 gift card. They don't always do that. I think maybe it's like once a quarter, I would like to say. So this one is $5, which is normally what they give out as a $5 gift card. I haven't used my $10 gift card. I have to get over to Macy's. I think that the card, it's usually good for maybe a couple of months, so I have to make a point to get over there. Let me take a quick look at this one. Yeah, see, this one's from 9/30, the 30th of September through November 24th. So the other, oh my goodness, I hope the other one doesn't end in October 24th. I'm going to have to look at it and see, because I want to go ahead and make use of that $10 gift card that we received. So I open this up now. With Macy's, they do list all their products here. It has like a little description and it lets you know what the retail price is, and you can purchase every product that they have here at Macy's, which I like. But one of the things, and I know it's the worst thing to like Macy's for, but, and I hope that they have one in here. They do. I had to kind of dig around for it. They send perfume samples, and I love perfume. I do. I subscribe to Scent Box as well, but I'm never going to do an unboxing because there's only one little valve of perfume, but that's my favorite. I had Scent Bird at one time, but I prefer Scent Box much better for that. So we've got two Valentinos here. I guess one is for men and one is for ladies. So with the male one, what I do is I just kind of put them in a little baggie, and then when I see my son, who's he's in the Army, so when I do get to see him, I have like a nice little stash of cologne to give him. I'm going to be seeing him this weekend, so I'm going to put this in my suitcase and make certain to go ahead and give that to him. But yeah, I'm happy. Valentino we received, but that's not part of the samples that you have. That's just like an extra little gift that they give you. So let's see. I just am reaching for this because sometimes Macy's sends a full-time something. I mean, I've received underwear from them. I've received, like, sometimes you get a full-size cosmetic bag. It's just various things that they'll put in there. I have no idea what this is. Is this like a little, maybe, when I'm looking at it, I'm thinking it's like a little case to put some jewelry in or something if you're going traveling. And it has a little compact mirror in it, and just like a little pouch, and that's exactly what I would use it for. I would put my rings or something in it. I am going to be traveling this weekend. I have another little thing that is similar to this. Now the only thing with my other ones is it's more like a hard case, and this is soft, but it should be fine for rings or something. And they actually don't even have this listed in here as anything, so it might be another giveaway that they put along with the perfume, which is nice. Here we have some nail polish, and I'm shaking it. This is called Mineral. Let me take a look at it because I cannot make it out. Mineral Fusion Nail Lacquer, and it's the shade is Pretty in Pink, and it retails for $8.99. It just says it's a perfect color for a French nail or just to add a little touch of a color. Hopefully my camera is focusing and you can kind of see the color there. Now with my nails, you know, I used to do gel on my nails, and I have a gel light that I purchased from Amazon, and it just lasts so much longer when I do the gel, even though I do have a chip here and I just did it last night. I don't know what happened with that, but yeah, there is a chip there. I'm going to have to try to fix that. But with just regular nail polish, it doesn't last maybe a day or two. The gel usually lasts much longer. I really must have banged this on something for it to chip. But yeah, so I really won't use that nail polish. I don't know what I'm going to do with that. I'll have to see. Maybe I will. Sometimes I don't feel like doing the gel, and then I just put a coat of like whatever on. So maybe that'll do that. Guys, this is the third mascara that I've received this month. And if you watch the first video I did, which was the Ipsy, I was so excited because I got an Iconic London mascara, and I was saying how I was running out of the mascara that I already have. But this, I received another one in BoxyCharm, and here's another one in Macy's. But this is called Magic Extenso. Ditch Your False Lashes. And let me take a look and see what this is, because I've never... Oh, it's MAC. I was looking right here. It's a MAC mascara. MAC mascara is really nice. And I'm so... BoxyCharm and Ipsy never has MAC products in it. Macy's does. So, I'm happy to receive that. Let me go and see. The retail for this is $28. Viral sensation. Get ready to experience the most beautiful, clump-free, and gravity-defying formula that takes you from neutral to next level with a swipe of a wand. Again, this sells for $28 at Macy's. So I'm happy to have this. I can put this in my little cosmetic bag that I kind of throw in my my book bag when I go to work. So that's great. Oh, now this. If this is a cheek, one of those little cheek rubby things, I'm gonna lose it because I don't like these. Oh, it says it's a comfort lipstick from wait a minute, what is this? There was supposed to be a color pen eyeliner in here. Oh, let me grab that so I can kind of go down the line. This is a color pen eyeliner, though. This is a full size. And last month I received kind of like a dark olive green eyeliner, which I actually liked using. It kind of makes your eyes pop, and I'm gonna try to go ahead and use this as well, maybe during the day. It's called let me see what it is. It's a color pen eyeliner. It retails for $14, and it adds another bright dimension to your eye look. It's an electric blue pigment. Oh boy, maybe I won't be using that, huh? That brings drama in a lovely subtle way. Now, how can electric blue be subtle? That's an oxymoron, right? So, but that's what it says it is. It's water resistant. It sells for $14. So that's okay. I might try that. And oh, that's what I was afraid this was. This is a all over face blush color. Is this little mini nude stick here. And actually, you know what? The top popped off of it as well. So, oh man, guys. Yeah, I had it and I just put it down and the top kind of popped off of it. Yeah, I don't know what I'm going to do with this. I'll see if my granddaughter wants it. If she doesn't want it, I don't know. Actually, you know what? I had mentioned in a prior video that one of my subscribers, she was telling me how she works for an organization. They have a group. Not that she works for it, but it's part of her church. It's a program. Then it's for abused women, women that have suffered from domestic abuse and are trying to start over again. And they take lightly any type of swatched palettes or anything like that. They accept those and they give them to the women. So that's going to go. I have a ton of palettes that I'm going to be sending to her. This is going to go along with it. If you all are interested in donating any of your you know, your swatched palettes or anything. I know that I mentioned in the video prior that I have so many things that I think I'm going to use them. I might swatch it and then I never use it. But I feel bad. I don't want to just throw it out. But, you know, I can't do anything with it. So I kind of collect them. And eventually I do throw them away. But I feel bad doing it. So I'm so happy to have met her, that she's a subscriber. She's part of the community. And so I'll have her that I can send it to. And I'll feel really good doing so, helping out somebody else. But this is the last item. This video has been all over the place. I'm so sorry, guys. This is my third video of the evening. And I haven't had dinner yet. So I'm using that as the excuse. But hopefully you're enjoying the content here. I'm sure if you haven't, you would have clicked off by now. So hopefully you're enjoying it. This looks like this is a lipstick. This is some Bare Mineral. It's a matte liquid lipstick. Oh, okay. And it retails for $20. I don't know about you guys. Let me see if it has a color. It looks like it's almost like an orange. I'm always getting something that's like this weird brown orange color. You know what? I think I'm going to go ahead and swatch it because it's like a little trowel size. It's not like I can take it and put it in my posture or anything like that anyway. Sometimes what I do when I get like a funky color like this is I'll put something else over top of it to kind of either tone it down or change the color of it or something. And with the matte lipsticks, I don't like my lips to be dry, so I will go ahead and throw some type of a balm or a gloss or something over top of that. So, oh, this is like look at this. Look how this thing popped out of her. It looks like it's got the weirdest shape that I've ever seen. It looks like it's broken. It almost looks like it's for nail polish and the bristles have hardened or something like that. So I don't know. It's super tiny too. Or it would take me 10 minutes to put my lipstick on with this little tiny little foot. But I'm going to go ahead and swatch it and see what the color looks like. Okay, it's not a bad color. It's not bad. But then when I put it on, then it'll be bad. Watch me go to put it on for work in the morning, and it's the last step that I do before I'm rushing out the door to get to work, and I put it on and then it looks bad, and then I'm like, oh my gosh, so I have to walk around like this all day. But here's the color that it came out. So it's kind of like maybe like a rusty reddish brownish, I don't know, but if I put it on my lips and I don't like it, then maybe, like I said, I'll throw something else over top of it. I have probably, out of all my lipsticks, and I tell you, I probably have about 30, maybe even more lipsticks than that. I have them separated by color. I have a box. It was a glossy box. I used to subscribe to them, and they would send these really, really pretty boxes. So I have one box that's filled with pinks and reds, which I hardly ever wear red anymore. And then the other box is filled with maybe browns, and this will go in there as well. But they're different. You know, I have some nudes in there too. So if I put this on and it looks like really crazy, then I can throw a nude on and then put some gloss on, and it's going to wear off in a few hours anyway. Time I have some coffee or something like that at work, it's going to be gone. So that was my my Macy's. And just to recap, because like I said, this video has been all over the place. We did get a full-size nail polish, okay? We received, I don't know what this is. It was just like a little, it wasn't even included as any. Actually, they have a picture of it here on the front, so I can't say it wasn't included. They have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 products and the 2 samples of the 2 samples of the perfume and the men's cologne. We got the little lippy. We got this is full size for that. We got this cheek color that I'm like griping about what am I going to do with it. Oh, that's this one. What am I going to do with it? But I'm going to share it with Melinda. I'm going to send it to her, and I'm sure that somebody will get used to that. I just can't use it because of just my other issues with my skin. And this MAC mascara, which I'm really happy to have that too. So yeah, Macy's was okay. And all my boxes were okay. I'm not really mad at any of them. My favorite one, of course, was BoxyCharm. BoxyCharm usually is my favorite one that I receive. Very seldom do I receive BoxyCharm. If I had to get rid of everything, I would probably get rid of all of them and keep Macy's, to be honest. I think that's the best value out of all three of them. But if I had to have one that's a full-size one, I would definitely go with BoxyCharm. Well, I thank you guys. I need to go and edit at least one of these videos and see if I can get it out this evening. I also have to have dinner. I haven't had that yet. And it's 8:30, so I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up. Thank you so much for joining me. I'm probably gonna put this one up on Saturday, and I'll be back next week, and we'll do something. I plan on doing some interviews, and I have a lot of things planned for the channel, so hopefully you'll come along with me. Subscribe. Go into the Ipsy unboxing and register for the giveaway that's going there. I am going to be giving away this full-size cleanser